This is Mrs. Gecky's Fall 2017 Rube Goldberg machine. It starts when the pizza cutter cuts the pizza, pulls the string that through the pulley that lifts the weight, which makes the tomato sauce fall down the spoon ramp, hit the lever, fall into the sink and hit the lever of the pan, or the handle of the pan. The pan raises up and then hits the rolling pin, which causes the drying rack on the rolling pin to fall over and hit the recipe books, which causes the last recipe book to hit the bell and the apple at the same time. The apple falls into the basket falls and pulls the string, which starts the next project. The string pulls the roller down, causing it to hit the shoe boxes down with the weight on top of the shoe box hitting the shoe horn lever, making the shoe fall down, pulling up the high heel shoe, making the sock go down, pulling the next machine's string.
After the sock falls, the string pulls our candy cane out, which helps the little girl go down the snow hill, and then the sled goes into the Santa hat, making the Santa hat go down and the Christmas ornament go up on the pulley, hitting this other Christmas ornament. This ornament goes down the ramp, hits these third-class levers, which domino down, hitting the Story of Christmas book, pulling the next string. Okay, the string pulls the ball out of the way, and the blue bulb rolls down, hits this bulb, and comes down, and whatever's holding this up is going to come down on top of the button and cause that to spin, pulling the next string.
Okay, when the next string is pulled, it pulls out the pencil, which is holding up the marble. The marble goes down the chute, hits this ramp. The ramp guides it to hit the next ball. The ball hits the lever. Yes, and the ribbon falls, which causes it to pull the book down. The book hits the tight string, which makes the trigger on the gun be pulled, and when the gun's rubber bands hit this book, it falls, pulling the next string.
When that is done, it pulls this out so the egg rolls down the ramp, and then it hits this, and this makes a domino effect down to here. Then this pan hits the lever, which makes the Skittles fly, and then hits this to pull the next string.
And then by doing that, this will be pulled out and the volleyball will roll down the ramp, which will hit the cup that has a weight in it, and then it will knock over the castle that has seashells under it, which will then knock over the ball and pull the next string.
And their string will pull my box with a golf ball underneath it, which will roll down my ramp onto my boards, hit the Pepsi can, which will try to cause a chain reaction to this cup, pulling on this string, which will hit that needle and then pop the balloon with confetti in it.